On Monday night, a soup, supper, and informational meeting was held at Brashear High School. The meeting was to let the public know more about the upcoming bond issue on the April ballot. The money from the bond issue would be used to do a variety of maintenance and repair jobs to roofs, heating, air conditioning, and lighting systems. The bond issue does not require a tax increase, but instead extends the debt capacity of the district.
The junior high track team had their first meet Wednesday at Atlanta, where the boys took second and the girls took third. Sebastian Melendez took second in the 100-meter hurdles. Justin Needham took first in the 100-meter, first in the 200-meter, and first in the high jump. Garrett Hausman took second in the 400-meter, fifth in the long jump, and second in the triple jump. Quinn Allen took first in the long jump and third in the high jump. John Gerhold took third in discus and second in shot, and the 1600-meter relay team took first. For the girls, Avery Acton took second in the 100-meter hurdles, second in the long jump, and second in shot. Hannah Grissom took seventh in the 1600-meter and fourth in triple jump. Tanner Garlock took sixth in the 400-meter and tied for second in high jump. Emily Mason took first in high jump, and 1600-meter relay team took second.
The high school's first meet was at Kirksville Thursday. Casey Mihalovich took first in the 100-meter, first in the 200-meter, and second in triple jump. Patrick Jonkinson took fourth in the 1600-meter and third in the 3200-meter. Abby Kirby took third in the 3200-meter. Levi Blankenship took fifth in the triple jump. Skylar Hausman took fifth in the triple jump and fourth in the long jump, and the 400-meter relay team took fifth place.
The Brashear Tiger baseball team kicked off their spring 2016 season with a road game at Linn County. Neither team scored through the first inning and a half, but Linn County got on the board with 4 runs in the bottom of the second. While Brashear continued to struggle to string together hits, Linn County posted 6 runs in the third and 6 more in the fourth, eventually winning 16-2. Brashear's first run of the season came in the fourth as Sydney Sykes drew a walk and stole home on a wild pitch. Colt Acton scored Brashear's other run in the fourth. Acton had 2 hits for Brashear, with Jacob Blything, Zane Sykes, and Tyler Wasson also having hits. Jacob Blything took the loss for Brashear, striking out 6, with Aiden Zintz striking out 1 in relief.